This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So with this unit, you can see all this blue around here. You guys can peel that off, and you got the stainless steel look as well going on. So that's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and remove that or not. Some people leave it on. But this is what it looks like. You have your power button, your cup size, and all that stuff on here. You can adjust the nozzle on the side as well. If we take a look on the back here, you guys can see where you put the water and you fill it up. Don't fill it past the max line. So keep that in mind, and you just place the water down directly inside. If you want to clean it out before you use the unit, I definitely recommend doing that, but got a very large tank. It does take your standard 3-prong outlet, so it is fully grounded. It's pretty cool. They give you a coffee shot chart, tells you how to use it, how to get the perfect coffee, and more. Of course, you can enjoy all different kinds. You got espresso, Americano, flat white, latte, cappuccino, mocha, caramel, macchiato. The tank is removable, so you can remove the tank. Just make sure you place it in firmly when you're done filling it up with water. You have your tray right in here, and this just slides in just like that. In case anyone loses their directions, what you do is you put water in the tank, you press the power button, you put your coffee inside here. Once your coffee's inside here, you go ahead and you place this up under here. Make sure it's up, steady, give it a twist. Once it's there, your coffee's then gonna come out off the sides. And of course, this is gonna go on here as well, and you put the cap down here. Now you can go ahead and if you want, you can peel this off. So this is just tape on here. You can peel that off if you guys want, because that's gonna be the side that goes down, and you're just gonna lay this down in here. It should lay right in there, just so you can set your cup. So let's go ahead and actually make some coffee. By the way, fun little fact, if you guys have a power station, you guys could actually use this with the power station. So if you're camping or off grid, just something for y'all to know. All right, so go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna go ahead and place this in, twist, place your mug cup up in like that. All right, so that was my mistake. So that one's for hot water. Woo, that's hot. So if you're doing hot chocolate, you can get hot water from there, place it in. So keep that in mind. That is for hot water. Keep that in mind, my friends. That is not for the actual coffee. So this is for the cup of coffee. If you guys can see, it might be a little hard, but this is for the coffee. That's for hot water. Okay, hot water, coffee. Delicious. If you guys ever need it to stop, you can press the stop button. So just press the same button that you pressed, and same goes for the hot water. Let's see if we can show y'all without spilling here. Take this off, and there you can see our coffee. And there you can see our coffee. So it's gonna take a little bit to get used to, guys, but once you get used to it, you're gonna love it. And of course, it wouldn't be right without our taste test. Oh, that's good. That's good.